My name is Kamil Mailian. I'm a patient of DEAMED, and I'm sharing this feedback and review for DEAMED to recommend this clinic and the team as highly professional team and clinic specialized in hair transplantation. 1 year ago I was almost fully bald, and today, as you see, I have some hair on my head and can have a really good hairstyle. When it comes to the team of DEAMED, it consists of professionals who gave me really very good approach from the very first moment I stepped into this clinic and till now, which is after 1 year, and during this time I have been consistently contacted to follow up, to give my feedback and receive any support if needed. Secondly, the result is outstanding. As you see, I have hair now. 1 year ago, as I said, I did not have. The clinic is conveniently located next to a very nice, stylish, state-of-the-art hotel, which makes it easier to go back and have a rest. Plus, they have very good team professionals who keep in touch with their patients and plan your treatment from the very beginning till the very end. I'm extremely happy with this clinic and would recommend DEAMED for anyone who would like to do hair transplantation in Georgia.